Hello beautifuls, thank you very much to be back to my channel. Today I have one more tutorial for you for the absolute beginner series. Don't forget to subscribe, I don't want you to miss a video. I really want you to progress in your belly dancing, so let's go. Today we're doing the hip slides and the hip flicks. So let's open our legs in the same line of the hips, open our arms, keep the spine straight, tuck in the belly, lift the chest, chin is gonna be long, the neck's gonna be long. So here we want to bring our weight to the right and then to the left. You're just swinging like a pendulum, going side to side in a horizontal movement. So this is the hip slide. So let's do now the hip flicks. Let's again keep the legs aligned with our hips. Let's bend the knees. Most of the time in belly dancing, you have the knees unlocked. I mean, it's a little bit bent. So any movement you do is gonna be reflected in the hips. If you have it straight, you cannot do it. So keeping the knee bent, what you wanna do is alternate the knees. That's what we're going to be doing. Flex and straighten the knees. So the right one is flexed and on straight, and the left, right, left, right, left. And that's how the movement would look like. You want to give a little bit of impulse in our hips. You want to kind of think you want to hit something with the hips if there's a movement to the sides. And that's the hip flicks. Let's now practice with the music.